Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making Ofada sauce. So let's get right into it. For ingredients, I need onion, fresh tomato, and some green Scotch bonnet. And also I would need I have some pomo here, freshly washed fish, and locust beans, also known as iro in Yoruba terms. You can see it. I've already washed it. And here I have assorted meat. Different parts of assorted meat I used is also written right here. My meat is already boiled. So I also have my pepper paste, which I added a little bit of tomato and onion too, and I have my bleached oil as well. So I will start by adding my bleached oil into my pot and letting it to heat up for a bit, and then I'll add my chopped onion and fry for about 3 minutes just to get a little bit of the onion seasoning into the bleached oil. I kind of like the flavor it gives. So after that, I will then be adding my pepper paste, and yeah, my pepper paste contains more of the green Scotch bonnet and a little bit of tomato and a lot of onion in it. So I've already parboiled my pepper paste, so I'm just going to fry it now for a bit. Now I'll be adding my meat stock to it. Yeah, my meat stock. So I'll be adding my meat stock to it, and I will leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. I'm going to be adding my already washed pomo to it so that it can cook a bit, since my sauce will not take me less than 30 minutes to get ready. Has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, so I'll be adding my iro into it. So I'm going to be adding my iro, so the locust beans flavor can be incorporated into the sauce. So I'll stir it again and let it cook for about 3 minutes before I introduce the next ingredient. And now my sauce has really cooked, so it's time for me to add my smoked fish, and I'll be adding my smoked fish into it, and I will stir and leave to cook for another 3 minutes. I'm going to be adding my grinded crayfish to my sauce now, and yeah, I will add that and I will stir a bit. I like the way my sauce is coming out. So after which, I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube to it, and I'm using 2 seasoning cubes, which is an all cube. And now I will add a little pinch of salt to taste, and I'm going to stir that and leave to cook for about 10 minutes before introducing my assorted meat. So now it's time for me to add my assorted meat, and now I'm going to add that into the pot, and I will stir continuously until the sauce goes around the whole meat, and I'm going to leave to cook for another 10 minutes just so my meat can be well flavored by the sauce. Now this is what my Ofada sauce looks like, and I kind of like the way it looks. So guys, I hope you like this video. Share, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to try this out as well and tag me on it, and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next one.